Hello again, it's Trevor at Heritage Reverse Mortgage. Today my article and my video are talking about appraisal required repairs. Now, being a reverse mortgage specialist, we do a lot of reverse mortgages obviously. And in about 1 in 10, 1 in 15 loans, we're faced with what's called an appraisal required repair. Essentially what that means is that FHA is insuring these loans, or the banks that are lending the money on these loans. Because they're taking the risk, they also get to set the requirements. And so they have basic requirements of what condition the home should be in order for them to say, yes, we'll borrow this money. Now, occasionally, and it's not, as I mentioned, it's not terribly often, something with the home doesn't quite meet up to their expectations. And so the most common elements that we see would be things like chipping paint. This is an issue because of exposed wood that could cause rot, or in homes that were built before the 70s, lead-based paint was a big issue, and so chipping paint could be a hazard to the homeowner or family. Another issue that comes up is handrails. If you have 2 or more steps on the home, anywhere in the home, you're required to have a handrail as a safety hazard or as a safety issue. Water heater straps. This is interesting because not all states require this, but most states that we are licensed in require that the water heater be tied down with 2 straps. This is to prevent it from falling over during an earthquake or something of that nature. Roof repairs, damaged shingles or leaking areas, water damage, other damage, broken windows, broken doors, holes in the carpet that could be a tripping hazard. These are typically the appraisal required repairs that we have to address. And in order for us to do and close these loans, the borrower has to get them repaired. Now, as I mentioned, typically it's a couple $100. Handyman can do most of these things, but they must be done. And ultimately, even though this can be frustrating in terms of the time it takes to do it, the money it takes to do it, the point is that this is better for everyone. This makes the home safer for you so that you can age in place. This makes the value of the home more secure so that you, your family, or the bank can ultimately resell it if they need to. It just all around makes sure that the home is in better condition. Now, occasionally we do see appraisers raise issues that are not really issues, and this can be very frustrating. If you're in a situation like this where you need advice or counsel on how to address a situation of this nature, please give us a call. As I mentioned, we do a lot of these loans. We're very well experienced in these situations, and we can usually give you advice to help you navigate this as quickly and easily as possible. So call us, 435-359-9000. Visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. We're here to help. We want to help you make the right decision, and we hope you'll let us do so.